Once again, welcome to another episode. Today, let me take you just a quick walkthrough of a project I'm doing in Nyakach. This is Nyanza County. For this project, I just want to unfold what we are doing. It's been happening for a while, but today I just want to show you a bit of the progress so that when I unfold the project once done, you can be in copy, because it is important to see where we are coming from and how we end it. It is very important because so many people do not finish their project. This column I'm leaning on is one of the scopes that I'm doing, or one of the scopes we did, or we have been tasked to do. And if you look at the videos or look at the previous videos we've been throwing on Instagram, they had not been molded like this. But we wanted to bring out that grand entry thing, or the State House thing, or the White House thing, and look at the way it has been molded by us. Then from there, I just throw in and show you what is happening so that I don't spend a lot of your time. And then as we finish the project, I will unfold. So the moldings, it is done. After that, the second thing that stands in as the grand entry will be the tiling, the molding, the chandelier that will stand up, the gypsum works, and then the grand entry door. We've done electrical points, sockets. There will be a console, a wall hanging here. Immediately after, framework, that is arch treatment. We have a TV unit because this is the family room on the ground floor. So a small sitting. We've done the gypsum works already. We've done the wall preparation, that is skimming and sanding, done in one coat of paint, awaiting all the dirty works to be finished. And that is the process, part of the process, because you'll see on the schedule of works, we've done the paint works, and then the paint work comes also at the last stage, or the last phase. It is because we have to prepare the walls, do the undercoat, so that after we have finished the project, and that is the time everyone is like, finish, we just come and do a last or two last coats in a week's time, and we are done. So all the ceiling works have been done. All the pipe works and electrical points have been done. The floor is done. Actually, it overlapped. We normally do them almost towards the end, but because we have to hand over before Easter, we are doing everything concurrently. So the floor is done. We have a nice, beautiful staircase feature here that has been now on some of our schedule. These are things we order out of sight, and then when towards the third phase, we just come and assemble them on the ground. So as we talk right now, these are things that are ongoing but out of sight. They will come and then we just lay. So those are the steps, and then there will be the newels, and then the metal works all the way to the top. Then here, an arch opening. This is the sunken lounge with a double volume. You will see a nice, beautiful feature, that is the massive chandelier coming down. The points on the wall, those are cut specifically for motorized electrical curtains. Then we have a feature also coming here, that is our big wall coming from floor to ceiling. A few cabinets on the left, few cabinets on the right, and then a mantelpiece, and then cladded with coral stone. Then the floor will be done once we are done with these are scaffolds. In African setup, these are our scaffolds. So let's go. Another arch. Hi Kansime, how are you? Those are guys specialized internationally for stoneworks. So they're already working on the stoneworks. We've done the carcasses. This is a vanity in the lounge, in the dining. So a sink will come here. There will be a dining table here for 8. 1, 1, and then 3 on either sides. Then a pelmet box has been done, gypsum, waiting for the chandelier here. Then as you come in, definitely immediately after the dining, you meet the kitchen. So quickly, without wasting your time, these are tall cabinets. This is an aluminium door. These are cabinets lockable, and then this will be a pull-out pantry. This is a coffee station. This is microwave. This is oven. This will be the fridge. As you take the turn, DPs for other things. This is a box for the spice rack. A box for the spice rack. This is the cooker. The cooker sits here. This is for the hob awaiting now faces to be done. Then immediately after, this will be for the sink, and this, Kasime, you are putting a stone here. Then we'll have a stone here. Then we have a dish washer here. On the other side, that is where we have the dobby. And then on this side, we have the pantry. So low-level cabinets, the deep freezer comes here, high-level cabinets on the other side. And I like showing you these things so that you can truly say at Keith Interiors where style meets elegance, because it's so hard for you to know why style meets elegance. It is because we get these things dirty, and most of the times you might not believe that it looks or it will look like we normally say. And what we have improved on is basically whatever we show you on the 3D or what we agree on the 3D is what we give you. So quickly, another small sink for the common mwananchi. You've come from wherever, you want to wash your hands, you're in the lounge, you will quickly run here. Then immediately after, this is the common toilet. A bit of works that were done by the contractor, but when we noticed once we laid our tiles, the concealed sink was slightly inside, so we are pulling it outside. This is the bath, this is the guest bedroom. In this guest bedroom, the way you are seeing the points or the electrical points there in the middle, it means we have a side stool or a center stool in the middle, and then on the side we'll have 2 4x4 beds, so it's a shared space. Then come to this side quickly, we have a sink, it's a small space. Then there will be a glass panel here, this won't be a panel, this is a swing door of 700, a small panel of 300, then a toilet there. So we are maximizing on this space in such a way that the 600 holds the counter, and this is where we'll have our basin, and you have what? We have a mirror here, and the sockets and switches are here. Then on the left, as you turn on this side, this is where you have your toilet, and the door swings to the right. And it's as simple as that, even the bedroom upstairs, so that I don't waste your time. On the roof, the ceilings have been done. So in this particular phase, we're just finalizing on our carcasses, and then immediately after the carcasses, the granite guys have started doing their granites. After granites, we are bringing in the door faces, bringing in the door frames and the top door panels. Then immediately after that, we install our staircase and we start doing the final coats of paint. As fast as possible, let me show you the first floor, because I'm very sure some people would say, why can't you even show us what's happening on the first floor? So lights on the wherever staircase, some lights, and this is where you land. You get a nice beautiful console, a light on top. You can put a light, plug in, simple ceiling, walls prepared, nicely done. Let me start on this side. Here we are having a nice beautiful CNC cut panel framed nicely in wood so that we have aeration coming in. Then as you can look, maybe Larry, if you come closer, look at the way Keith Interiors prides itself in doing gypsum ceiling. This is awaiting the massive chandelier. Even the chain there is hanged on a slab or on wherever, so that whenever you put your massive chandelier down there, you are secured that it will never fall. Then the small points inside the cove ceilings, those are spotlights. And then now the cove ceilings are recessed by 100 with surround cornice moldings. As simple as that, straightforward. Then the feature wall comes on the front side, and we are happy. Quickly in the bedrooms. The headboard comes here. The dresser in the study comes here. Foldables, hanging as quickly as possible. Then on this side, we have again, in this bedroom, this is a girl's bedroom, and she demanded a few items, or not demand, those were the requirements. We needed a shower, we needed a sink, and we needed a bathtub, and we needed the toilet. So we are using this space to the maximum. So the glass panel comes here, the door swings to the right, soap dish goes there. The sink is 700 to take up that, to leave a space on the other side. So from here to there, we are putting a bathtub of 1750 all the way and 700 to the left, then leaving you a gap on this side to put your WC. And we've done all the measurements and they will fit. By the time we are done, brothers and sisters, it will work. Stay tuned. Never lose focus. Stay tuned until you see this project. Do not let it pass you. Put the notifications. Sawa, let me show you another bedroom quickly. Sawa, quickly. Simple, straightforward. Two hanging, one hanging drawers, foldables in the study, and then the headboard goes where Larry is standing. So a stool on this side, the bed here, and a wall hanging on that side. Where Larry stands, same feature like the one on the ground floor. That is the WC, that is the bathroom. Then walk in here. This is the master bedroom. A stool here, a 6x6 on this side, standing nicely. A dresser here, standing nicely. Gypsum ceiling, taking the shape of the bed. And then the entertainment wall. Cabinets, and as usual, we normally do our marking and drawings on the site so that whatever we've done on the 3D, if it's missing maybe a millimeter or something, we can adjust on the site before we bring them in. But the sockets inside the cabinet is there, that's why it's open. The DP, this is for the HDMI, socket for the TV, sits here. You lie on your bed and you can enjoy your Netflix. Then on the side, you have 2 seats on the side, then a stool in the middle, then you have a small lounge here. Then in this master, because it's in the village, sometimes maybe you're just alone here, madam is not in, there will be a small kitchenette here, a sink and a warmer, so you can have a microwave and a sink. You finish, you clear, you put your things there and you can go. The house girl will come and pick the rest as you run for your other errands. Here, these are wardrobes all the way. Then this is the master bathroom. The master bathroom, we have a sink on the left. We have a toilet here. We have a shower on my right, which is a meter by a meter sitting here. Then we have a corner jacuzzi. And that is it for first floor. There is a space on the rooftop, and the rooftop is called the terrace in English. So let's use our English, the terrace. Let's go to the terrace quickly. In the terrace, this is where you can see the lake and all the other amenities in this county. So you land here. Then from this angle, you can actually see the ocean. This is an ocean or the lake. It's on that side. Then the beautiful hills at Kisii Hills. Then there will be a pergola here. Then as you enter here, we have a home office with a study. So there will be a floating study desk here, cabinets for the boys and girls to put their things. Then mzee or madam will put their desk here. Then on the far end, there's a cabinetry. There's a cabinet. They take the entire wall. So stay tuned so that you can see the final product on this side. I will not waste a lot of your time. I'm sorry because it's still a fly through, but in less than 2 months, you will have a complete picture of this site. And without further much ado, at Terrace, where style meets elegance.